Hello, Stage Door 22. How are you all? I'm reaching out today to just kind of touch base, tell you how much I miss you. Kind of sad that we're not heading back to school, and certainly sad that we are not doing our production of Into the Woods. But not just that, just our Friday afternoon Stage Door 22 meetings, etc., etc. I do miss you all very much. And I also wanted to give some clarity on this idea of the monologue workshop that we've been tossing around. Um, the point of the monologue workshop, well, first, let me back up. The reason why I'm sending out one to talk about clarity is because some people, it sounded like they were a little intimidated by it, the fear of performing in front of each other and that sort of thing. But let me clarify that the whole point of the workshop was really just to learn how to do monologues. So we're going to start have like a group discussion, very informal, where we'll discuss things like how to pick the right monologue. Where do you find monologues? What's the difference between like a classical and a modern monologue? Should it be a comedy or dramatic monologue? Actors, audition a lot, and the cornerstone of auditions is monologues. So I just thought it would actually be a casual, easy way to learn more about them and to learn more about how to do them. So please, 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 please do not feel intimidated. Let me capitalize on that by saying you can participate in this without performing. Okay, I would encourage you to do the steps at home of practicing a monologue once we find one for you, but you don't have to perform for us. This is really your own growth and learning something new and getting better at something while we're all kind of home and quarantined. And I just think it would be a nice way for us all to kind of stay in touch with each other. So we'll probably do like 2-3 weeks of learning, what a monologue is and how to do it, etc. And then maybe week 4, those who want to perform, they can perform, and those who don't have to. And even with those performances, the goal would be to constructively, lovingly, and kindly give each other feedback, because we're all doing the same thing. We're all trying to get better at what we're doing, get better at acting, get better at directing, get better at all of it. And the only way that you can really do that is to try different things and have people who love and respect you give you some feedback on it. Okay, so please, please note that this monologue workshop is meant to be more relaxed, fun, and a way to learn more about it. All right. Oh, wait, I have to show you something. You all be very proud of me. You know how much I love lighting? Look at my lighting thing. So, oh, you can't see me now. First few videos that I did, I was like this. I was in the dark, right? I've learned so much more about lighting, so I now have my my son's sun lamp as my my light, and I think it works to kind of, I'm trying to get better at the videos. I don't know. Anyway, we are going to have a meeting next Wednesday from 11 to 12 to discuss the monologue workshop and to kind of just get this thing kicked off. Please, please, please join us, even if it's just to stop in and say hello. It's just a Stage Door 22 meeting. Okay? Miss you guys. Really looking forward to kind of getting this thing going, and any other creative ideas that you might have. I've got a couple more that we're also going to discuss on Wednesday. Just fun things to do on virtually, that we can still keep our craft going strong. All right. Have a great day. I really look forward to seeing you all. I hope everybody is healthy and staying as happy as you can. And get outside. Today's a lousy day, but get outside and get some fresh air if you can too. It does wonders, okay? All right, guys. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.